Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you have the creator code and host permissions from Epic. This unlocks the custom match option. Once you're party leader, open the browser overlay and navigate to the custom match menu. Select the correct playlist type and input the custom match key provided to you. Make sure your party size and platform compatibility match the event rules, and set basic match parameters so you can move to detailed settings without interruption. Now you refine the match. Choose the map and game mode, then set player limit, time, and team structure to match your event's design. Once done, tweak respawn, scoring, and elimination rules so gameplay behaves predictably. These controls determine pacing and competitive balance. Make sure to lock in privacy and matchmaking filters so only invited players or qualified players join. Finally, enable spectator controls and tournament overlays if you're streaming or running brackets. With settings ready, start a private warm-up round to verify spawns, scoring, and cosmetics. Once done, announce countdown and launch the match. If the custom match key is rejected, re-enter it carefully and confirm the key hasn't expired. Contact Epic only after rechecking. If players can't join, change server region or have the host leave and re-invite the party to reset connections. One key troubleshooting tip: always run one private.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.